Hi guys, Wendy here. In this video we're going to draw a drastic cute koala, so let's get started. To draw this cute little koala, we're going to start by drawing the top of his head. So right here I'm going to start and draw a curve for the top of his head. So I'm just going to bring down the curve right in the center. Something like that. And then we're going to curve it out. So we're basically trying to make this dumpling shape that I usually give to all my drastic cute animals. So we're going to bring it out on both sides, and then right here around where the cheeks are going to be, we're going to round it back in and bring it back in. This side and this side. And connect it. So that's why I call it my dumpling shape. It's narrower on the top and then wider around the cheek area. Okay, so then from there, let's draw the ears for this cute little koala. We're going to come around in this area right here, and I'm just going to draw a really big curve. Goes all the way around. And back. There to the bottom, and then we're just going to come in and follow the outside for the inside of the ear. And so that's the same thing on the other side. So I'm just going to drag this point all the way across. So I give myself a point as to where I should start and where I should end. So it just makes it a little bit easier to figure out where to put this ear. So I'm just going to come out, draw a big curve just like the other side. And don't worry if it's not exactly the same. We just want to come in the same position. So that's why we're giving ourselves these points. And back. And so same thing inside, just come in here and follow the outside curve and back. So there, I got the ears in. Come in here and fix my top of my head here. Okay, so now that we have that in, let's draw the most important thing of this koala, which is this little, well, big nose of it that it has. So we're going to come towards the center, towards the, let's say maybe the center of this head. So say about right here, and I'm just going to draw a big oval that comes towards the bottom. So I'm going to start here like in the center with a curve. So this is top of his nose, and I'm just going to bring down the curve. Nice long oval and connected. I got the koala nose in. Now I know where to put the eyes. I'm just going to go right across in this area and draw 2 circles. And same thing on this side. And towards the edge once again. And back. So let's make them draw so cute eyes. I'm going to come in here with 2 small circles for highlights. And a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. So if you guys love all my Draw So Cute animals that I've drawn so far, please check out my Draw So Cute playlist for cute animals. Okay, so then let's do the same thing on this side. 2 small circles for highlights. And a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. From there, let's come back up here, and we're going to draw a little curve right above the eye to anchor the eye. So I'm going to do the same thing on this side. Just a little curve, and I'm going to go ahead and shade this nose in because it looks kind of weird right now. So I'm just going to give it a little highlight right here in this corner, and then I'll just shade that in, and I think that'll make it look a lot better. Okay, so we got the nose all shaded, so that does look a lot better now. Let's come back right here on the corner, and I'm going to draw a sweet little smile right here in the bottom and cap it off. And when you're coloring it, you can add some cheeks if you want. So then from there, let's draw the really simple body that I'm giving it. So I'm going to come towards the center right about here, and I'm just going to give myself 2 points. So I know that it's nice and centered. So this is where the arms are going to begin to start. And I'm just going to bring down a curve. Come back up. And go back all the way back up. So just notice it's thinner up here and it gets wider as we come down and back up. So let's do the same thing on this side. So we're just going to curve it out. And so then I'm just going to come here at this bottom. Come over, just give myself a small little point so I know that's where I should end. And I'm going to curve it in. Come back to that point I made. And then I'm just going to come here, eyeballing them about the same width and connect it. Then you can come in here and just draw 2 little curves for the paw area. And so then from there, we're just going to come where the hands are and just draw a curve to connect it. Okay, and then from there, let's imagine this shape that comes down, the curving for the tummy area. So I'm just going to imagine a curve coming down about right here for the body. And I'm just going to curve it out. So same thing here. And connect it. There. And then for the legs, really simple, just a loop curve for the legs. So my goal was to make a very easy koala, cartoon koala for you to draw. So same thing on this side and back up. And you can come in here, just small little lines right here for the little toes. And it wouldn't be complete, right, without a heart right here, because it is a Draw So Cute Koala. I'm going to add a little heart right there. And so that's pretty much it for this little Draw So Cute Koala. Hope you guys love how it turned out. It was super easy for you guys to draw too. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please give me a thumbs up and share it. And remember to subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.